Hey guys, Travis here. I'm here with my daughter Isabel, her beautiful 1972 F-250. Name again? What's her name?
Azalea.
Azalea. Well, Azalea had a little problem. What happened, Isabel?
I drove without oil.
Drove without oil. Okay, well, she called me, said the truck was hot. There was steam coming out. She stopped it immediately, thankfully. I had a tow truck bring it here. Not too much damage was done. What's wrong?
I melted a valve.
Melted a valve? You burnt up a valve. So, in the grand scheme of things, a burnt valve isn't horrible. We're going to replace the heads. And she's going to help me do it. And, you know, it's one of the things with my kids, their vehicles, and they need work, they get to help me. So, teach them to love their truck. And here we go. We're going to get started. We're going to tear this thing down, take off the old heads, put in some new ones, reinstall it, put it together, and away we go. All right, there's the intake manifold. The Holly Sniper on it. Making a mess. Let's put it in the pool right here. Okay, we're about halfway in here. We've tore, basically, yeah, we're down to the heads. So next we're gonna pull the heads, replace those, and start going back together. How you feeling, Izzy?
Great.
You're not dirty enough.
Please no.
It's your hair. All right. Got the heads undone. We're going to pull them out and go to the next stage. Are you ready?
Yes. Oh my gosh, that thing is heavy.
Oh. One. Come around this way and see if I can grab the back of it. 45 minutes in. I don't have much to grab, but if you get the front, I got it pinched. You can get it up closer, I can get it underneath it. Okay. Now, it'll be interesting to see if we can find the burnt valve.
Should be on the driver's side, I thought, right?
Yeah, I think it was on the driver's side.
Yeah,
so.
Should be a driver's side valve.
One of these isn't seating very well. Actually, this one doesn't look like it might be either.
I know that first one right there. Looks a little up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that one's a little up. So not seated very well. So yeah, when we vacuum down the system, this one was bleeding out. So it wasn't sealing properly. So it doesn't look like a lot under there. I thought maybe it was worse, but it still needed to be replaced. So this is what it is. We'll send these off to get them resurfaced because they're kind of hard to find. So we'll send these off to the place we got these heads so they can resurface them and send them to the next guy. All right. Doing pretty good here. So we got the old heads off. We cleaned them all up. We've actually installed the new head gaskets, and so we're about to drop the new heads on. Then we'll bolt the exhaust manifolds back up and go put her back together. So we're about what, 3 hours into it, and we've got the we're all the way down, ready to go back together. It's looking good, and Isabel's cleaner than me. What does that say?
In my shirt.
right, guys, quick update. Got the heads on, got the intake on, got the rocker arms on, the pusher rods on. We're getting close. We're putting it back together. Still got to install the exhaust manifold, hook up the carburetor, some of the front assembly, just finalize everything, and we'll be back up and running. Now let's hope it starts. Woo! And the truck runs.